Hey there! Welcome to your ultimate guide on getting the most out of your new Ninja Crispi portable cooking system. Ready to snap, crisp, serve, store, and re-crisp with just one system? Let's get started. Inside your Ninja Crispi box, you'll find the powerful 1500-watt power pod, a small batch tempware container, a big batch tempware container, 2 crisper plates, and 2 handy storage lids. It's everything you need to whip up and store delicious meals. The power pod is where the magic happens. Place it atop your glass container and it automatically senses which container it's on. Be sure to only use the power pod with Ninja-approved tempware glassware attachments. Ninja's tempware glassware is made from high-grade borosilicate, so you can go from frozen to crispy without a hiccup. Plus, it's designed with heat-safe feet so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, marble, and more. You'll also find a small batch container perfect for meals for one and a large batch container for family dinners, both built to handle the heat. These containers come with sturdy fixed handles for easy transport and special feet to protect your kitchen surfaces. The larger container includes an adapter for a snug fit with the power pod. Just click it into place. Removing it is just as simple. Cool, click, and release. Just remember, you don't need this adapter for the small batch container. Both containers are equipped with crisper plates to get that perfect crisp and come with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe lids. The small one is even leak-proof for meals on the go. And when it's time to store everything away, the containers neatly nest together. Your Ninja Crispi has 4 functions: Re-Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Max Crisp. Revive leftovers with Re-Crisp. Crisp up your favorite snacks with Air Fry. Or quickly cook frozen foods with Max Crisp. Ninja has made the process super simple. Just pick a function and set a time. If you need any help along the way, just check your handy inspiration guide, complete with helpful cooking charts. Now let's put it to the test. I'm re-crisping last night's chicken parm, broccoli, and pasta. Pasta goes under the crisper plate in the small batch container to stay soft, while the chicken and broccoli go on top to crisp. Set the power pod, choose Re-Crisp, timer at 7 minutes, and you're in business. Afterward, lift the crisper plate, stir everything together, and enjoy a meal that's as good as new. Cleanup? A breeze. Once everything's cooled down, a quick wipe of the power pod and a run through the dishwasher for the containers and lids will do the trick. Then just stack them back in the cabinet. For more fantastic tips and recipes, check out the inspiration guide that comes with your Ninja Crispi or visit us at ninjakitchen.com. Dive in and happy cooking!